Oh, this looks like a lot of ingredients, but believe me, it's not. I will list everything down below. But first of all, you'll need chicken breasts. So I have two. I use any kind of lettuce, iceberg lettuce, but I like to use the romaine. And I like to do it like a boat, so like the longer version. I just grabbed whatever I had in my fridge for veggies. So I'm gonna dice a little bit of bell pepper. And cucumber I want to use up, so I'm going to use a little bit of that. And then I have the broccoli slaw, which I like for this recipe because it makes it crunchy. Soy sauce, or less sodium. And then hoisin sauce. This can be found in any grocery store pretty much. And then garlic powder, salt. I have pink salt here, and then pepper. And then this is totally optional, but I like to add these just for extra flavor, and I have it on hand, that's why. So pure sesame oil, and then rice wine vinegar. Slice your chicken and everything into little cubes because you want it to fit onto your lettuce. So everything chopped up now. The chicken is diced very small, and here's the broccoli slaw, onions, and bell pepper, and then I washed some leaves for later. I'm gonna add the onions, sesame oil in, just a little bit for the flavor and the smell, just because I like the smell of it, but I'll list it down below. But I'd do like 1 tablespoon first. 1 tablespoon. And everything else, some salt. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. And at this point now, it's almost done. I'm gonna add the broccoli slaw. Add your bell pepper last because you don't want your bell peppers to be too soggy or too soft or overcooked. I like to make a sauce to go on top of my chicken wraps. So I use the Bolthouse Farms because this is yogurt-based dressing, and it's only 20 calories per tablespoon, which is pretty awesome. Mix it with a little bit of sriracha. So you get this pink sauce that you can drizzle on top of your lettuce wraps, and it's so good. It is all plated for you to see, but whenever I'm meal prepping this, I just put the chicken mixture into a container and put it in the fridge. You can portion it out if you want, and every time you eat it, heat it up, grab some lettuce leaves. There they are. It looks delicious. So yeah, I just put the slices of cucumber right into it. Makes it have a good crunch.